we're on our way to Germany, and the dog was just sick all over my leg. Thank you for that, little Max. Travelling in style! Okay, so we're really pissed off because apparently if you have a certain amount of stuff in your van, you're not also allowed to bring your pet. You're allowed to have lots of stuff and you're allowed to have a pet, but you're not allowed to have lots of stuff and a pet. Okay, I don't really get it, but they let us get pretty much all the way onto the train before they stopped us. So that's really annoying. So I'm not in a very good mood right now, but I have had some chips, so I feel a bit better. Oh yeah, and we left the dog in the cabin with loads of human food, which he is bound to have gotten into and will have made a massive mess, and we will be clearing up a lot of shit when we get there. So that's going to be really, really fun. We're finally in France, and it only took us like 4 hours longer than we expected it to. Everybody say hooray! 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 Hooray, Robin! Oh, I see a bit of beach over there. Oh, but we're driving away from it. I'm not going to get to enjoy the beach today. So fair. So fair, little Max. So fair. Sleepy dog. Sleepy dog. Sleepy dogs. Guys, we've now been on the road for we've now been on the road for over 12 hours, guys. So how's everyone feeling? Anyone got cramp? Excuse the light.
I'm feeling alright, just I'm blinded.
I'm sorry, it's so dark. Look how dark it is. Max, what time are we going to arrive?
2.
2? Oh, that's pretty good. Radio, sticky radio, stickier than a spider's web with a vinyl in it. So we're only a couple of hours from our destination.
2 hours, yeah.
And we've taken a quick truck stop, and this is how we roll. We've got our own rolls. I can't believe I just said that. And we brought some cheese and some corn ham. We've arrived! We've arrived!
Maxie, we're here, baby! Oh, is it on a wee there?
I've been sick.
Oh no, baby boy. Oh, you've been sick again. We've officially arrived at our Schloss. Hooray! In the kitchen right now. The kind of makeshifty kitchen that Max built. And look at this enormous, great big can of beer. Max bought 10%. And it's
got a Viking on it.
Dom, why is being in Germany right now your ultimate childhood fantasy? Explain.
Well, we've got a massive house with loads of rooms, toy guns with loads of bullets, and no parents to tell you off.
Am I going to get shot?
Probably.
Oh, fuck.
And it's going to be in a really sneaky way. It's probably going to scare you.
Can you just try not getting me in the ribs? I hate that.
I'm a terrible shot, so...
Okay. Deutschland, Tag 1. And Max has been in bed all day because he's really sick. But you know what's really, really sick? It's this wallpaper. Ugh. Who'd choose that? Blech. It just wouldn't be the grand staircase without essence of hippie. So this is my new home. Yep, all of it. Ha 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 ha. Mysterious cat watching the dog playing over there. So they've met each other now. Never seen little Max confront a cat before, so this is really interesting. In his basket.
No, it's just...
Safety first with Max Reed. Look at the view. Ooh. But seriously, it's pretty dangerous. Okay, we're on the roof. It's really hot, and this is awesome. What do you think, Max?
It's hot.
It's so hot, and that's the view. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh. We're so lucky. get to spend our time out in the sun when we're not doing music, which we should be doing now, but the weather's so nice that I think we're going to be out here for a little bit longer. Walk. Walk. Walkies! 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 Hey Dom.
Yeah?
Put 'em up. So we're going for walkies. Where are we, Max?
We're in Grise.
Grise. We're in Grise. And it's really pretty here.
And it's raining, and I don't have a coat.
Oh, they don't have a coat. It's raining. It's gonna get so wet. I'm pretty wet already, so... The Max, you excited? Excited? No. So every little town, or big town, no matter how big or how small, has a schloss. And I think Grise is quite an impressive one. Have a look at this. Look at that. Ah, it's beautiful, isn't it? I could live in that. We're in a really pretty place. Look at all this park. It's so nice. Grise is nice. What do you think of the park, guys?
Oh, it's boring.
Are you
What's
sure?
so good about trees?
But it's nature and shit.
Yeah, what's nature ever done for me?
Yeah, but like
Yes. I involved you.
your nature.
No, I'm not.
Don't you wanna
Maybe
go swim in the beautiful lake?
It does actually.
What do you think, Dom?
I think those ducks over there would look better shredded in a pancake.
Oh wow, okay, that's quite a good idea. Little
Come on,
Max,
get them.
little Max likes the lake as well. He wants to go swimming in it.
He's gonna go and get some.
He's gonna go straight in now. He's gonna. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's in.
Catch ducks.
He's in there. We've lost him. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get it up in the morning. Wir essen Eis. Max, was ist das?
Yogurt. Mixed salad.
We're in the museum and we're learning about stuff. And this is where they used to make clothes. And it's a big spinny wheelie thing. It looks really dangerous. My mum wouldn't want me to touch it. Basically, this is the look I was going for. Imagine if you could make your clothes out of onion skins, because apparently you can. I think I might have just found the next Doctor Who villain. Oh my god.
That's my shoulders like it, my back's like it. And by the time I was there, there's like a ball of hair just rolling around everywhere. It's like open a window, sort of rolling with the breeze, like, hi! What's the face chocolate ground for?
How hairy are your legs, though?
Hello there?
How hairy are your legs? Oh. Let's have a look at the hair on his legs. Doesn't really match Joe's, does it? What about Max's legs?
Nada.
Oh, I think mine are hairier than that.
Yeah.
Mm. So yeah, this is your room, Dom. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it awesome or what? What's that you got in your hand? Is that a joss stick?
Yeah.
What is this room, sting or something?
Yeah.
What's your view like? Let's have a look. Oh. So this is Germany, yeah. It's a bit wet. You can see it's quite a nice view. Lots of trees in the distance, lots of beautiful houses. A very serene place.
No, that's my chalk.
Ah, your chalk box. And why you got chalk? You got a chalkboard?
Nah, chalk.
Blackboard? Alright, so this is your blackboard. What we got in here? Oh my god, is this like foreign writing on stuff? Is it Thai? This is what you do when you're not doing
You
music.
know what that says?
What? What is it?
You know what it is? It's
Is that all? I thought that one's
Yeah.
and that one's
that's
yeah.
That's the long one. Long and short. Every vowel's are long and short. Except for the I's.
Ooh. Okay, Joe's singing in the background. Poochie. Hello, Poochie. What you want, Poochie? It's Joseph. He's been a very good boy. Mopping the toilet. It must be filthy. I know. We all rely on Joe. Nice clean floors.
No one even asked me to do it or anything. I just took my own initiative and did it.
Initiative. That's what we're all about here.
I need to get some more bleach.
Stained glass window. I really like that star for the wings. It's cool. It's very esoteric sort of thing, isn't it? This video's very long. It's 6 minutes long almost. Another nice view. Yes. This is our room where we're making stuff. See, we've got some boards there. We're using them as dampeners for sound. Another blackboard. Lots of Thai and Japanese writing that me and Dom do. I do the Japanese, he does the Thai. We're Asian fans. School kid over there, probably smoking, looks a bit depressed. So where you been, Max?
We've been to equip ourselves there with a Dalek costume, and this is the first part that I've purchased, and we've got some more bits inside.
This is all you need to create a Dalek, is it?
Pretty well,
Bit of
yeah.
pipe.
Some hose pipe and
Bit of wood,
a wireless doorbell,
of course.
a funk gong.
Cool, sounds groovy. How's it going, Joe?
Taking all the old wood from upstairs, downstairs.
So we're doing
A lot of this wood actually seems quite reusable. Just take
It's not bad, is
the
it?
nails out, yeah.
What are you going to use it for?
Yeah, we're making another table out of it.
Definitely. We could make a bigger dining table out of it actually.
I haven't listened to any wood yet, but I've been sweeping. I've been inhaling dust, but I'm sure everyone else has been inhaling dust too. It's very frustrating dust. So the wood done. All done. Joe's singing Celine Dion. My favourite Celine Dion song. Beautiful. It's so sexy. I love this song.
When you touch me like this.
Oh, there you go. It's quite a big one. Look. No sound really. You can just hear him in the distance. The rain's louder than him. Pretty amazing really, isn't it? There's the piano. Bit of bark. My guitar amp. That's guitar, you saw that.
Down into the darkness. Down into the dark side. Right, so we are in the local Obi, which is like a B&Q in Reichenbach. They're looking for network cable, but they don't have any here, despite it being so massive. It's such a big place, but they don't have it, and we have to go to Zwickau for it. That's okay.
It's quite a way away, but yeah, we might as well just go there.
Day out.
Down in Vigal for Cat 5 cable. Yeah.
They've got a sauna there too.
Maybe not that today.
Maybe not today. So, we're on our way to Zwickau, going through the nice German countryside. Pretty place. Oh yes, look at the top of that hill, there's a Schloss. There's always a Schloss. So basically, the big AB doesn't have the network cable we need either, so we're going to electronic numerical Deutsche.
It's very dangerous.
Hello. I came to see the flood. The great flood. So it's all been coming in there. Oh, so it's all our curry washing up water and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh no. Definitely putting this in.
Just waiting for loads of water to splash out.
Right in the face.
That's why I'm standing far.
Shall I get them back then?
Jay, did you do some paper grab the gaffer tape?
Yeah, I know it is. Where is it?
Hello. 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 Yeah.
Correct use of gaffer tape. It's supposed to go down there.
Yeah.
Straight down there.
Yeah.
Straight down there into the sewer.
Yeah.
But there's a blockage somewhere down there.
Oh, so you're trying to
I'm trying to
push it out.
the blockage using this. I'm using pressured water.
I see. But it could all come back up the pipe.
It could.
Well, this is exciting.
But it will. It will go everywhere.
Oh.
I'm just hoping that it's going to some degree, flush out the problem.
Let's try again. Oh, sick! Oh, sick!
Right.
Oh, fucking hell!
Got it.
Yeah! Oh, relief.
Hooray!
Oh my god, I've got to clear this up now.
Did it do it? Did it film it?
It did. Oh my god. Oh, how fucking gross. What's in it? It's all rice and lentils and oats. Oh, there's some other shit as well. At least it doesn't smell.